Welcome everyone to my new episode on price predictions for 2024, especially for the early part of the year. Scrembo here from Emotions Crypto Trading. Today we actually take care about Near Protocol, a price prediction for this cryptocurrency, looking for standing out the rational side of the market. As usually you are pretty much used with my videos where I only talk about things that can be backed up by data. I'm not going to be able to talk about things that are just speculations or they are pure personal desires. It makes no sense, and you are not here to watch my lack of sense opinion. For sure, you are not here for that. Therefore, Near Protocol out here has been sitting on great 24 hours movement. I thought I'm gonna make this price prediction for early 2024 into the discussion. Before we get into the topic, for those of you that are interested, we have multiple price predictions for 2024. We have a lot of the episodes already on the channel. We have daily price predictions as well. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, including the opinion you have on the price prediction in the comments area. I'm looking forward to hearing more about that as well. And before we get into the topic, for those of you that would like to sort of away join my trades, then you have the ability. We have a completely done for you trading. Option number one is no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made. We have tons of videos on my channel about how we trade and how we perform. No prior fee, just like I said, only commission from the profits made, which is based on performance. As well, we have our one-on-one coaching program for anyone out there looking to be serious about the space and making sure they are fighting for financial freedom. We are going to talk about these things at the end of the video. Now, what's happening on the daily candlesticks, which is what we got to consider for Near Protocol. A protocol which has been delivering not only on the price action side since it has started its movement from the major accumulation stage, which is absolutely amazing, guys, to consider the fact that the cryptos are offering such situations and chances, opportunities to accumulate every time. It's the same cycle. You're going through the bull market, you're going through the bear market, you're completing the crypto winter, you're always finishing in a style of accumulation, which is constantly without volume and its lack of movements around any crypto that sits in such category of Near Protocol, which is something you can see how we were performing around the dollar. I mean, you barely see those candlesticks, how small are they, and how lack of force is happening in the area. However, what's happening afterwards is exactly what we're dealing with. The cycle is getting itself at the end, and you're entering in the pre-bull market phase, which is another place that you can consider a great stage for those that have not participated in the past to take advantage. Now, Near Protocol is out here doing its job. It has printed so far in 67 days since we have been starting 178%. So we are considering the fact that the current supply zone we're dealing with, and I'm going to zoom in a little more. So the current supply zone we're dealing with is basically the result of a major structure that kept basically the entire accumulation stage under pressure of resistance. So it's most likely called out at the top of the accumulation stage, which has been printed back in the day, early 2023, with the tops established at that time, including the reaction points we have done in the past, especially mid-2022, representing the $3 mark for Near Protocol, a key level. Always the key levels are the ones that are having and giving us the ability to transform the market total and pure dominant into one direction or the other. It depends where are you trading. So when you're above the key level, it's not just by being above any supply or above any sort of a way Elliott line or any trending line or any type of a structure pattern or indicator line. It's not the same basically. Key levels are always marking the difference between a momentum domination of the bears or a momentum domination by the bulls, which is not just lasting for a couple of days, it is down to the earth of a few months. So key levels right here with $3. What do we need basically early 2024, and we're going in the right direction, is to get out of this key level and confirm above. Due to the fact that there is a long distance until the next key level we're going to have to fight with. So in order to take the markets to those highs, you will have to confirm above $3 in a form of a market structure ready to prepare the continuation of the bullish move towards the $5, so for the upcoming supply that is existent. You're not going to be able to have enough force and sufficiency around the markets to move straight into the $5 and break out of that without hesitation if you do not construct the breakout prior to that, which is fine if it happens above $3 and then you take it slowly higher and higher, accumulating force for the liquidity to get out of the $5, which is going to be probably the most difficult to deal with. Now, the great part of that, it's already a situation out of a pre-bull market price action. So we're going to have those crazy mad days out there with 30%, 35%, 28% price action movements on this altcoins. As you already know from previous bull markets, when the crypto space is pumping, it's wild. That's it, right? So once we get out of this, and we're sitting fine, you are going to be able to deal with a $5 as well, with a $6.5. There's two levels over there that you're going to have to fight with aggressively at every single touch, especially when you get into this area which is encircled on liquidity and volume. You're going to fly to the top of the structure. I mean, that's not going to be a big deal. We're looking for basically confirming ourselves and get into this range. So 2024 is going to be a year where we would love to see the 1.272 extension, the green line, including the 1.414 red line out there. Now, these are the major targets that we're looking for, with a possibility to poke into the 1.618, find the representation of the resistance at $11, $12 right there. So from this price point, from this situation, we are talking about a 230%, and even higher than that, we're talking about 300% as targets that are representing a conservative approach. Now, depends how the market is moving at the first zigzag extensions, which is between the green line and the red line right here. Depends how the markets are going to accumulate over there. We might be able to raise the targets at that time or not. It is something that you always have to look into when the market is touching certain levels that are prior, so you can basically correlate the prediction with updated informations. This is very important, that predictions at this stage include a default type of movement, but as soon as we have a change in our default movement, then we need to adjust basically based on the changes and new language of the market appearing. So that's around the Near protocol, guys. It's looking beautiful as of today, and we're about to get into 2024 on the right shape. Make sure, for those of you, to subscribe to my channel, like this video, as well as check out our AI bot trading on ChatGPT. You can see our performance. Option number 1 is based on no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made. Option number 2 is where we deliver you the signals and you handle the whole process. You can see more on our spreadsheet as well, the one-on-one coaching program, which I'd like to dedicate a minute. It is a serious program out there, pretty comprehensive and intensive for anyone out there looking to hit the bull market in a very prepared way, which means that you've got your own weapons, which are all part of the skills and knowledge. You need to sort of execute knowledge around the weapons as well in order to transform them into high efficiency. So you need to improve your technology of your weapons, in other words. And this is always translated for traders that we need to increase and boost our skills and knowledge around the trading side, starting from mindset, psychology into the technical analysis, sharing with you my screen, and I'm walking through the entire process because this is one-on-one directly with me. So it's a place where I'll take you by hand and teach you exactly what do I do since 2014. It's something that I perform as a full-time activity, and you can definitely consider looking into. I'll share with you how to understand the language of the market and know how to react to that. This is very important. The language of the market, in sort of a way, is telling you and it's presenting you how to trade, what to trade, and when to trade. If you don't understand the language of the market, you're not going to be able to react. It's as simple as like that. Now, you can find out more by register now, watch this quick video. We have live trading exercises, homework. We have a lot going on in this coaching program. Just like I said, it's comprehensive only for serious people that are considering the crypto industry is offering them the possibility of financial freedom. Then this is the time to take advantage of. Register now for more information. Have a good time, folks, and qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where I can explain you more on the topic. We'll talk to you soon.